I need somebody.
Okay, welcome to the classification of matter lab for Mr. Seller's class, Grady High School. Just going to briefly review each station and kind of go over the procedures for the lab in case you are not able to do it or if you want to look at it again. So the paper is also available on Edmodo, so you can just print that and download it. But the procedures are pretty basic. You just want to go from station to station and evaluate the substance as to whether or not it is a element, compound, pure substance, or mixture. Now, for the sake of this lab video overview, I'm not going to tell you the answers as to what the substance is. I will simply show you the substance and then I will list some properties about it. Some of the properties are physical properties of the matter, could be color, shape, viscosity, state of matter, so forth. So that's all I'm really going to help you do, and you need to print the paper out and kind of decide based on those characteristics. Also, there's a back to the lab paper, and those questions will also be covered on the quiz. So let's move on to station 1. Station 1 is soda. It is liquid, it is brown, and it appears to be pretty well mixed up. Station 2, iron filings. So I'm not sure if you can see the iron inside of the jar here. They are gray, they are solid, they are weakly magnetic. Station 3 is air. Believe it or not, there is air in here. Air is colorless. It's also a gas. Seems to be pretty well mixed up. Number 4 is aluminum foil. It's shiny, it's metal, it's solid. Number 5 is baking soda. It is solid, seems to be pretty uniform, white powdery. Number 6, water with red food coloring. It just says water with food coloring, but this happens to be red. Station 7, shampoo. Kind of greenish, it's clear, has a high viscosity, it's kind of thick. Seems to be pretty mixed up. Number 8, oil and water. Oil and water is liquid, both of these are liquids. They do not appear to be mixed up very well. Station 9, beans. Multiple different colored beans. They have white ones, some tan ones, some black ones. They all appear to be solid shape. Station 10 is salt. Not much to say about it. It's white, powdery, solid. Station 11, aquarium beads. Seem to be clearly different types. Blue, yellow, clear. Seem like they could be sorted easily. Number 12, sugar. It's very similar to the salt. It's white, powdery, solid state of matter. Not much to say about it. Station 13, Cheerios. Seem to be pretty easily identifiable as different types of Cheerios, so these are multi-grain Cheerios. Station 14, the copper strips. Appears to be uniform, appears to be probably all one type of atom, and it is a metal, and it's kind of heavy and dense. 15, silverware. Similar to the copper, it is kind of dense. It is shiny and appears to be uniform. Station 16, the stainless steel nails. These stainless steel nails, again, seem to be shiny and fairly uniform. Very mixed up, very well mixed up. All right, those are your stations. So again, hopefully you can just kind of stop the video and pause it and look at them individually if you need to further, and you can answer those questions as to whether or not they're element, compound, heterogeneous or homogeneous mixtures, and you can identify the physical properties based off of what I showed you and from what I said, and the questions on the back should be fairly self-explanatory.